Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the path between floors and collecting only what you need. Use a stud finder and attic access to map cavities, then pick a corner that avoids plumbing and HVAC. Once done, drill a small pilot hole at both locations with a long bit. This gives you an alignment check. Feed a 1/4-inch pull string through one pilot hole to act as a guide. Make sure to install insulated grommets at each opening to protect the cable from sharp edges and movement. You now feed the fish tape fully through the cavity and watch for its tip in the other hole. A flashlight helps. Once you see it, securely attach the Ethernet end with flexible tape and a small pulling swivel. This reduces snags on insulation and cross members. Pull with controlled, steady force. If you hit resistance, stop and reverse slightly, then try angling the tape. Make sure to keep the cable untwisted and avoid kinks. Use a non-conductive cable lubricant sparingly if the run is tight. You finish by terminating the cable into keystone jacks or a patch panel. Follow T568B or your chosen standard and add strain relief. Once terminated, test with a cable tester and verify gigabit connectivity. Swap ends to confirm polarity and pair integrity. After confirming operation, anchor the cable inside the wall space, install wall plates, and seal holes with appropriate fire stop or caulk. If the link fails, the key troubleshooting tip is to retest at each segment. Reterminate and test continuity first, then replace connectors if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.